everybody, it's Sonic Dunaway, and today we are back on another video. So recently I got this new t-shirt. This says my channel name on it, it's Sonic, because I love Sonic. Today we're going to be trying Japanese sweets, and we have my brother here, Josh. So yeah, he's going to be trying them as well. So first we open these drinks and we put them in here. Smells like Coke, but not fizzy. What does it taste like? Just Coke.
Okay. Well, that's just really nice.
I think this is lime. I don't know what it tastes like.
Oh, that tastes really nice as well.
Yeah.
Which one?
So we've got these, and these have seafood and squid in them. I don't really want to try these, but
Oh no.
Okay, let's spill these. Oh, you want to smell?
Oh god, that's actually horrible.
Oh.
Oh, you go first then. Just give it like a bite.
Tastes actually fine.
I've got one.
Oh. Yeah. That is horrible.
That's actually not too bad.
Yeah, but when you have a lot, it's bad. These look weird and look like dog food because it has a dog on the back.
Phoenix there. Yeah.
No, these just look like crisps. Okay.
Yeah, but you know how Japanese food is.
No, it smells horrible.
Oh no.
Take one. It's alright. It's actually just plain.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
But they still don't taste that nice.
Oh, that is.
Uh,
Oh, that's actually not too bad, actually.
so, we've got like loads of these sticks. So, I'm gonna open it. Yeah.
It's like a very excited cat with
Yeah.
some.
Sausages in its mouth.
No, that was like a roly-poly, one of those.
Or sushi.
That would make sense. Oh no.
I think this is cat food.
No, it looks like a massive sausage. I'll go first if
I
you
think it's cat food. Oh.
Oh god! Oh, that is disgusting.
These are even worse than the squids.
Oh no, this smells like the most horrible. Oh.
Have it then. Try it.
Oh, I don't want it now.
Try it.
Why did I have to go first? I don't know, but.
You still need to.
It's not actually that bad, but like, yeah. Yes, it is. That's actually disgusting.
No.
Have a sip of the drink. I want to do that one.
Oh, this looks like a football one.
If it's an actual sweet, then that'll be nice because all of that, like,
Okay, this actually looks nice.
all
this
of like
time.
this, you don't want this.
Oh,
sort
it's
of
just
stuff.
split in half.
Oh.
No.
looks like a
No thanks.
different form of Rice Krispies, as if they're all just joined together into one.
Yeah,
Into one like,
but it doesn't
mech,
taste like it.
I can imagine.
I really don't want to try them. Oh yeah, these are the other ones.
Hey, I'm not done yet.
Yeah, I know.
That's not actually.
But yeah,
Oh, it doesn't matter. Really.
and
Oh, it's the same cat.
there's corn on here. The same cat.
That looks actually nice.
Uh,
I know.
yeah, it's probably just corn.
Not another one.
No, this steak looks horrible.
There is one
But
that I'm excited
first,
for.
you've
though.
got to smell it.
Oh no, that looks like one of those those things in those like you know those things that you get in those packets and you dip it in the cream stuff, and it's like it's like one of those sticks but miniature, and it's got like loads of green herbs on it. We used to have them for our lunch, yeah. It's like a massive version of that.
These smell horrible.
I don't know how people in Japan eat this stuff.
Oh!
And in that case, I never want sweets from here ever again. But what does it taste like?
Horrible.
Well, that's kind of obvious, seeing as your reaction. But oh no.
Like, these drinks are actually nice, but the other stuff aren't.
Right, don't forget, I've still got to do mine.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Why'd you take a big bite? That's disgusting.
Shall we do something else then? No, not another stick. I don't want another stick.
Yeah,
Something else
not the
first.
stick. So we've got this
that looks nice.
got this cute stripy guy on it.
Marshmallow puffy.
And we've got it's marshmallow, I think. Stripy marshmallow.
Go on with the first part.
Yeah. Oh no.
Pull it apart, Daniel.
Okay, this just smells like normal marshmallow.
Shall we do it at the same time?
Yeah. Hard to taste them?
I'm having all of it.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm going to try these now. I don't think there's enough for someone else to try. Oh, there's loads of balls in it.
Great pellets. That's what I'm calling them now.
Okay, take one. Oops, I forgot to spell it.
Well, it's too late now.
It doesn't smell that nice, but let's try it. I bet they're good, because they look good. I don't even think I'm allowed to bite this. I don't know. Oh. Oh yeah, it's like a Moam. But it doesn't taste like one. I don't know what to try. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. So this just looks like a bottle with some sugar in it. I can't open it. Oh. I can't smell it because I have loads of stuff from the other sweets in my hand, so.
What's it taste
Have
like?
it all.
What does it taste like? Looks like that fake snow that they use at like certain events.
It tastes fine. I think it's really nice. Tastes nice. This.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
looks
that looks
like
nice.
a biscuit, and it also looks
Wait,
nice.
show the views.
There. This one's a bit hard.
Split it in half.
Yeah. Oh, this looks nice.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it has
Ooh,
chocolate
look at that.
in. So the outside tastes like chocolate biscuit, but if you taste the chocolate inside, mmm. So we're gonna be trying this next. It's another stick. It looks like chocolate sponge thing.
Can you not open
No, I can't open it.
Well, you know how I am. So
Yeah.
okay.
No, I'm trying it first.
Oh no. I regret.
Oh, it looks like chocolate. Ooh.
It looks like Cocoa Pops
Ooh.
merged together again, like Rice Krispies.
Yeah, it looks like Cocoa Pops. Mmm. Tastes like a chocolate wafer.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think this is raspberry or blueberry. So there's loads of little bits in here, I think. I don't want them to go everywhere. So I'm trying to open them carefully. There's only one.
Wait, okay, you're having that.
Hey, you can't try that. It looks like a medicine thing. Like when you have one every day. It tastes like
You're not supposed to bite it. In fact, yeah,
I'm not biting it. It tastes like medicine, exactly what it said. Okay, so that you could bite it, I think, because it tasted nice.
Which? Oh.
Okay, so this
Ooh.
has a cat holding an orange, so I hope it tastes like orange.
It looks like one of those hard marshmallow things.
I still can't smell it.
You know those things that you get in party bags and you don't like them? Well, I don't.
Oh! It's sugary, like, you don't bite them.
Huh?
I'm gonna let someone else try it. See the reaction. I want another one.
Yeah, but like, it just like fades away in your mouth, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like candy floss. Okay, now we've got this hedgehog
Ooh,
with loads of sweets in it.
spotty hog.
So I don't like green sweets, so I'm going to have this red one because I love red.
This is Sonic's brother.
Sonic's rubber. Yeah, have the green one. Oh, there's more in there.
Green one?
There's more in there.
Okay, no, I'll just have this one. First thing. You go first.
I still can't smell it as well.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Oh, it's chocolate.
What? Chocolate? You think it's
Chocolate.
like Skittles?
It's crunchy. Yeah, it's like Smarties. Okay, now
Oh, yeah.
we have these mini stars that look like the stars from Super Mario Galaxy.
I'm not actually gonna lie. I was actually going to say that. Okay, I'll have the blue one.
Let's take it then.
Alright.
I'm having the orange one.
Wait, what?
Wait, no, I'm having the normal one.
Alright, normal one.
Yeah, there's a white one, a grey one. It's very small.
What's it taste like?
I don't know. I think it was just plain. Like pink and grey. Okay, we've got this one. It looks like an ice cube because there's a drink
What?
with ice cubes
Wait,
in
show
it.
me.
And it's quite cold. Okay.
Wait, it's cold.
Oh yeah, it's cold, but oh no, it's in like you know them like red lines with the white stuff in it? It's like that. It looks like that.
It's like a piece of snow. You go first. Oh, okay. Oh, that already smells nice.
Oh. I can't remember the word.
Okay, I'll try it now. Oh no.
Oh yeah, it's like chewy. Chewy. It's very nice. I thought it was an ice cube. I don't know why. We've got this Hello Kitty marshmallow. Okay, I can't smell it.
Wait, I'll have some as well. Oh no.
Yeah, it has chocolate in it.
Look.
Oh, nothing, the last bit.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Now, we've got this Texas corn. I don't know why it's Texas, because it's
Octopus.
Japanese. Yeah, I was about to say there's an octopus on it. And
Oh, no.
remember the octopus sticks?
Squid.
Oh yeah, squid sticks.
So,
So
oh, that looks disgusting. Oh no.
I know they look yeah, it just looks like cheese balls.
I know. They look like a circle version.
They actually smell like cheese balls.
Oh, I don't know whether I want it. Oh no.
I've had these before, but not Japanese versions. Or Texas version.
What does it taste like? Does it just taste like nothing?
Yeah. Tastes nice.
So I got loads of
Herbs on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're right. Those are like what's it's.
No, yeah. So
Oh, yeah,
we've got this squishy, like soda can.
Oh, it's
Soda
sour
bottle.
by the looks of things.
Yeah, it's sour. I love sour things, so I'm having this. Whoa. So they tried to make it look like glass, and then
Split it in half.
And then okay.
Get it.
Ah!
Come on. Hey.
Yay! But it's very sugary.
Oh no. Okay. Very fast with that.
So we've got 2 things left because we saved it till last because we knew it would be horrible.
Yes. That is a good word.
Yeah, because if you remember the other sticks,
Oh no.
yeah, we've got 2 more. Oh no. Okay, I'm having this one first because this one actually looks better than that one, but it's probably still not going to be good.
Cat in a suit.
Yeah, there's loads of cats.
Oh no.
It's another stick.
Oh no. Is it like before?
Ew. It tastes like seafood. And there's fish on it.
So that's why there's a cat on, because cats like sushi
Yeah!
and
You
fish.
should have told me that. Otherwise I wouldn't have eaten it. Give that to me.
Oh, I ate a small bit and it still tastes horrible.
Yeah, same. I'd like that much.
Oh,
Okay,
my
so I've got
God.
another one. I'm going to eat it quick because I don't like these. So, oh no.
No, no. Oh, he likes it.
Oh, it actually tastes quite nice.
I'm never trying that again.
Wait, what? You don't like it?
No? There's another one to make.
So, the ones that I like this because it had chocolate in and the crunchy and wafer outside, so that was nice. I like the drinks because they were like normal drinks from the UK. So which ones did you like?
Well, I love the drinks. They're both really nice. And then my favourite was this one as well. I like that one. Just the Zolls.
Hope you guys enjoyed our Japanese taste testing video. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.